Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I know, I'm so sorry, the lighting's not amazing, the setup is not amazing. However, I just got home. It's currently 8:30 and this is my last Primark shop before I basically give birth. I've got 6 weeks left. Realistically speaking, today was definitely the last time I'm out shopping in Bullring, in the biggest Primark in the world, because oh my god, I am so tired. And we didn't even shop the whole Primark. Literally did a bit of the women's, some of the kids, a bit of pajamas, and that was it. And I'm so tired, but I really want to show you guys the stuff I got because I got some really good bits. I'm super pregnant right now, cannot breathe, got my pillow propped up. Let's get right into this haul. So it's going to be mainly kids stuff because I had to get Nabiilabee a whole new wardrobe, and I just thought, to be honest, I really wanted to get it from Primark and Zara, but I went there and they barely had any stuff, and I don't want to. I'm so glad I didn't order online because the sizes were a little bit hit or miss. So Nabiilabee is 2 months and August, September, and so she's 2 years and 2 months, and size 2 clothes just do not fit her at all. So she is still in 18 to 24 months, and I'm so glad I went in the store and I actually saw the clothes, because I was going to buy everything 2 to 3 years online and it would have been pointless because she's not going to be wearing that for at least, she probably won't be wearing that kind of stuff for like 6 months. So I went to Primark, nice, cheap and cheerful, and I got her a lot of basically 1.5 to 2 years, 18 to 24 months pajamas, because she needs a lot of pajamas, and home stuff. Like, I like her wearing stuff like this at home. So the first thing was £6, and by the way, Primark's pajama prices have gone up because I got stuff like this last year and it was between £3 and £5. So this is the top and these are the bottoms, and they're just super cute. Then I also picked her this pajama set. This is 2 to 3 years, so this was £6. Then I saw these, which I absolutely loved, but Primark didn't have. Like, they had, it was so weird, they had so many tops and they had no bottoms in all the other prints. But I got her this matching set, which is so gorgeous. I absolutely love. So this one, how much was this? So this is £3 and this is £3, so it's £6 for the top and the bottoms. And I just thought this is so cute for her to wear at home now that it's getting colder, and it's just so nice and pretty. And like, if she's going out at the same time, she can wear that and still look nice. I picked up some socks, they were £2.50. Then I picked up these baby mittens for the baby, because I'm not going to be ordering stuff like this online. Then I picked up a bunch of leggings for her. Again, I got her 1.5 till 2 because I want her to wear it now. I don't really like buying stuff that she'll wear later on, just because she needs stuff now. For £3.50. Then I also got these, and these, like, these remind me of H&M. These are like so H&M style. These, oh, this is made using organic cotton. Yeah, both of them. This is for 2 to 3 years, and I just thought, okay, she can, just in case she does end up growing in the next month, I've got some trousers for her. And then I also picked up, oh, I just realized I picked up these leggings. They were together, but I think they just got separated. This is so 2 to 2.5 months, and I just realized that these are the same as this, so she can even wear this jumper with these leggings if the trousers are too big or they're in the wash or whatever. Oh, I got this super cute jumper for her. I really like this, and I just thought, like, you know those jumpers that you just don't mind getting messy, you don't mind constantly washing. I really like getting stuff like this. It was only £7 and it's really nice and thick. And then I got her 2 polo necks, which look like this. Again, super cute. This is again from their organic cotton range, which is amazing because I love Nabiilabee wearing cotton. Like, it's just good for them, it's not itchy. Like with things for myself, I know what is uncomfortable, what's comfortable, but obviously with kids you don't know. So these two were £4 each, which is amazing because that's £2 each, these turtlenecks. Nabiilabee doesn't wear jeans very often, but when she does, I really love these like skinny jeans. Sorry, she doesn't wear skinny jeans often, but I really like these Primark ones. This is the skinny ones and it's 18 to 24 because she currently wears 12 to 18 and they are getting a bit small on her. So I just thought these would be really nice. They are, I feel like they're a bit long though, so I'm gonna cuff them. They were £4, like what, for a pair of jeans? Amazing. Literally been looking everywhere online and I cannot for the life of me find soft boots. River Island did them last year, but they just, I don't think they're bringing anything similar out. They're all really chunky, really thick, and Nabiilabee can't wear those because she needs her foot to like be flexible in it, and I feel like she gets blisters when it's not. So I picked up these, which are so like, look at that, so nice and soft, and this is exactly what I was after. Only thing is, I wish it had a zip on the side. It is just one of those that you just put your foot in and out of, so I'm a bit worried that they might be a little bit big, like wide here, because she has the skinniest ankles and the skinniest feet ever. I originally went in for these, so I managed to find one pair, well actually it's two pairs, one pack, and there's two pairs of pajamas in here. It's a top and bottom. I got it in 2.5, no, I got it in 2 to 2.5. Yes, and it looks like this, and it's got loads of cats on it and stuff. It's just super cute, and it was only £5.50, and I've literally been looking for stuff like this everywhere. I wanted to get more of these in different prints, but they only had her size in this one print, which I'm so gutted about because I just really originally I wanted to get like a good 5 packs of those, and then that's like her pajamas done for the next 6 months at least. Then I picked up these. This is also 100% cotton, which is nice because the first pair of pajamas that I showed you, they were like, they're like really cheap quality, but I like them because they keep her warm and they're comfortable. And then I picked up these, which were also £6, but they're 100% cotton and they're just so cute. They're a little bit more grown up compared to the other ones. This is a bit like the adult ones that they do, but it just looked so cute on the model, and it's pink. Nabiilabee loves pink, so it's perfect for her. Oh, you think that's it? No, that is not it. By the way, this I got so much stuff for Nabiilabee simply because I am doing a whole, this is like, she's starting from scratch. This is a whole new wardrobe. I'm doing a full-on revamp. This is, oh, this is 2 to 3 years, and these two, yeah, the two pajamas that I got for 2 to 3 years is just because I know I'm gonna give birth and I don't want to be thinking about buying clothes for Nabiilabee, and obviously I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know how long I'm gonna take to heal, so I'd rather just be safe than sorry. So I got her these. They're also £6, and these have flamingos on them, and they're just so cute. Flamingo part. Then I picked up some tights for her, and they just got like, they're white with little heart embroidery on it, and it's £4. Picked up, oh, I picked up like these t-shirts that were £2.50 for myself, just for like, it's not, it's for home, but at the same time, like if I want to throw on a cardigan and like my jeans or jogging bottoms, I can do and just go out, just like standard things. Then I picked up these two. Oh, I love these, and you know what, I filmed a video and I will be uploading that Primark video after this one, but I got these last time in 2 different colors and I knew I'd love them, and I had to go back and get some more. So I got the pink and I got the camel. The last thing that I picked up from Primark, I saw these pajamas and I love them, and the great thing about these is I can wear them at home now while I'm pregnant, because these are the only trousers that I can wear that aren't maternity, that don't hurt me. I got them in a medium. It's a size 12 to 14, so they're massive. Like, I'm a size 10 to 12, so I really hope they're not too big. And then really, I should have got a smaller top, but my bump is growing, so I guess it makes sense. And it's a medium, so the bottoms are £8 and the top is £7, and it just looks like this, and it's just so soft and beautiful and gorgeous. That's that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. I've got a few hauls coming out in the next few weeks, just because I'm doing a little bit of haul stuff now, because I know later I am just not gonna even get a second to do shopping, and I don't want to be worrying about stuff like that. I really just want to enjoy having the baby and not having to worry about little things. That's why I'm going crazy around the house as well. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.